How to change phone number in Yahoo Mail app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change phone number in Yahoo Mail app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on the Yahoo Mail icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the Settings option. You will then see the option for Manage Accounts. Tap on that and further tap on the account info option you see there and then tap on the security option. You will then have to enter your Face ID, so go ahead and enter that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and tap on the Add Phone Number option under the Recover Phone Number tab and further enter your number and tap on the Add button. Once added, you will receive a verification code in the number you just entered. So, enter the verification code and tap on the Verify button, and with this, your number has been added. And now, you can tap on the Remove button you see there and remove the number you no longer want in your Yahoo Mail and further add another backup number. So, this is how you can change phone number in Yahoo Mail app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.